Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 1. The topic is nouns. Here it is written, the detective found a gold watch. In this sentence, by the word detective is the name of a person we can understand, and by this word means watch is the name of a thing. Here it is written. So, after reading this sentence, we can find the definition. Noun is the name of a person or thing, though name of anything actually is called nouns. Like if we find a name of an animal or birds, these are also nouns. We will read these letters. After getting this definition, if we want to do this exercise what are in your book, then this topic will be clearer for you. Let's start. A number exercise, it's written, find the nouns in these sentences. First sentence, the box was made of wood. In this sentence, by the word box and by the word wood, we can understand name of things. So that's why these are nouns. 2 number sentence, the apples were put in a dish. By the word apples, we can understand name of a fruit, and by the word dish, we can understand name of a thing. So these two words are nouns. 3 number sentence, milk turned sour in hot weather. In this sentence, by the word milk, we can understand name, and by the word weather, we can understand name. So that's why these two words are the examples of nouns. 4 number sentence, it's written, the lion slept in the shade under the tree. In this place, we know, we can understand by the word lion. I told that if we can understand the name of animal, that time this is also noun. So this is noun, shade is name of a place, and the tree, this is a thing. So these are the examples of nouns. 5 number sentence, butter is made from milk. Here by the word butter and milk, we can understand name. So that's why these are nouns. 6 number sentence, it's dangerous to sharpen pencils with a knife. In this sentence, we can get the nouns by the words pencils and knife. These are things. 7 number sentence, these oranges are used to make marmalade. So by the words marmalade and by the words oranges, we can understand name. So that's why these are the examples of nouns. Did you give the dog this food? Here the dog is example of noun and food. 9 number, in winter the days are short and the nights are long. Here by the words winter, days and nights, we can understand name of some things. So that's why these are the nouns. 10 number sentence, the children enjoyed their visit to the zoo. In this place, by the word children, visit and zoo, we can understand name of person or place. So that's why these are the examples of nouns. So let's do B number exercise. B number exercise, these are the meanings of 10 nouns which are arranged in alphabetical order. Write these nouns. So this is so easy. The table in the most sacred part of a church, it will be, there are how many blanks? 1, 2, 3, 4. There one word can be written, that is altar. Altar. 2 number, a hole in the ground made by a rabbit. It will be burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. C number, a period of 100 years. It will be century. Century. 4 number, the name for a male duck, I think you know, that is drake. The overhanging edges of a roof, it will be eaves. E-A-V-E-S. 6 number, a story about animals which can talk. It is fable, you know, I think. 7 number, the tallest animal in the world. I think you have already seen it in the zoo, that is giraffe, Giraffe. 8 number, a tool for beating in nails. This is hammer, Hammer, hammer. 9 number, land entirely surrounded by water. This is island, Island. 10 number, the place where two or more railway lines meet. This is junction. Hope you have understood today's topic. We will do next page in another day. Bye for today.